Hello viewers, today we'll start at the Imperial Hotel in Fort William. This is a hotel I've been staying at the past couple of nights. Now if you're ever staying here, I would recommend you do not go for a room on the other side of the hotel next to the dual carriageway, because it's really busy and noisy at night. Try and get a room on this side of the building. It's quieter. So it's got a basic hotel, does the job, good location just off the high street, some great views here. As you can see, it's got a wee pizza restaurant and it's got a bar as well. Prices here, they'll range. In high season you're probably looking at about £100 a night, maybe a wee bit cheaper off season. So you can see the rooms on this side overlook Loch Linnhe. A very nice setting, but this road is pretty busy, so bear that in mind if you're a light sleeper. Probably don't want a room on this side, but the views are nice. You can get a wee cruise, a wee boat out there as well. So this is in Fraser Square. As I say, just off the high street in Fort William, up in the Highlands of Scotland. We've got the Crofter restaurant and bar almost next door to the hotel. This place is always busy. You can't book, it's just walk in only. I recommend here for a breakfast, they do a good breakfast. They've got a buddy breakfast. So beans from Paisley, I quite like that one. It's like £5 really for a wee small breakfast. Perfect. So this just takes you up onto the high street. If you wanted to walk down just a couple of minutes, straight down at the end of the high street, you'll find Fort William train station. So if you're getting the trains from Glasgow or Edinburgh, this is where you would get off. It's really central. Let's have a wee walk up the high street. It's about 8:45 in the morning, so there's not that many places open just now. You can still hear the birds singing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Kevin, I do walks all around Scotland. If you'd like to join the channel, it's absolutely free. Hit the wee subscribe button below the video and the wee bell next to it. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. So Fort William is really popular with backpackers heading up to Ben Nevis, or if you're doing the West Highland Way, you want to come up at the end here as well. Just round the corner here, we've got a nice wee cinema, it's a cafe bar. In the wee square here, we've also got the West Highland Museum just across the road there. That's free to get into, so if you come up here, it doesn't cost you anything. A wee bit of history in there. This is a nice wee cinema. We've got a wee cafe and a bar as well. We've got outdoor seating here, the seats will come out later on. And just up the wee hill there, there's a wee hidden bookmakers, which I just found the other day. Strange place to put it because there's nothing else up there. And here's the West Highland Museum. As I said, absolutely free. Just check the opening times on the website before you come. Don't make the mistake I did and not check that, come when it's shut for a couple of days. The Volunteer Arms in front of us, a popular pub. It's always busy showing the football. Check out this car. Another wee bookmakers, William Hill, out to bet in the football. Quite a lot of outdoor shops, as you can see. You want to buy rucksacks or any camping gear, there's quite a lot of shops here. The wee pharmacy, dairy medical stuff. There's also a Boots back down the high street as well. We've got the Highland bookshop on the left here. You can buy new books in here, or also second-hand books. They sell them upstairs. A lot of children's books here as well. So you can see just off the high street, just across the road, you've got Loch Linney. There's a wee boat ready to go out. So you've got some great views just off the high street here. Wee seafood restaurant, Crannog, just down the road. Plenty of parking here as well, just off the main high street. Just don't worry about parking. A lot of hotels have got parking as well. The Imperial Hotel has got some parking just at the side of it. Another outdoor shop, Regatta, just opening. Now I've heard this place is good for food, the Grog and Grill. We don't have any TVs in here, so they don't show the football, so this is mainly a place if you're looking for a bite to eat. You want to head in there. Again, it's always busy. I've also got the tavern, bar and restaurant. Again, this is a place really for eating. It doesn't show the football, etc. And they open the doors at night and they've got some seats just at the front. It's nice. And you can't really come to Scotland without a whisky shop, can you? If you're looking for a wee malt, you want to head in there. A good selection in there. Another outdoor shop, Trespass. We've got the Ben Nevis pub here, which has got a great beer garden round the back. As you can see, the beer garden's just up the big platform and it overlooks the loch. So that's a great place to sit, have a drink, also do some nice food in there. If you're into your Cascales, malt whiskies. That's the Ben Nevis pub. Fish and chip shop. You've always got to have a chippy next to a pub, haven't you? The Geographer, always see queues for this one. Take away and sit in, really popular. Got another wee cafe. So you can see on the high street you've got quite a lot of cafes, bars and restaurants. But Fort William is a very small place. It's quite hard to get in these places at night, especially with reduced capacity at the moment, the current situation. Coffee lovers, don't worry, there's a Costa here. Tartan House, very popular with tourists, these tit shots. A lot of American tourists love coming over here. They buy some Scottish stuff to take back home. And we've got the Witherspoons, the Great Glen, just at the end of the high street. Some good drinks deals in there. I don't think the food's that great, to be honest with you, in Witherspoons, but that's just my personal opinion. If you're looking for a breakfast, I'd recommend the Crofters, just at the start of the walk we passed it. Here we've got the Black Isle Bar, we've got craft beers, wood fried pizza. It's a nice place. A wee monument here. There's some signs that indicate it's the end of the West Highland Way. The West Highland Way, very popular. Give me a comment below. Have you done the West Highland Way? Let's have a wee look down here. If you're still watching the video, guys, I really appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. The like button, it helps push it out on YouTube. I really appreciate that. And as I said, if you're looking for new videos from Scotland, hit the subscribe button below the video. It's absolutely free. Hit the wee bell next to it. Click on all notifications. Every time I put a video out, you get a wee message from YouTube that a new video has been uploaded. Not many places with better scenery in Scotland, eh? Might not always have the weather. I was saying that's quite nice today. But for scenery, I think there's very few places in the world that can beat it. Maybe you're watching this and you've moved away from Scotland, you're staying somewhere else. Let me know in the comments.